Hello everyone, and welcome to the lesson about the prepositional case of nouns. We'll be talking about singular and plural nouns in the prepositional case. Let's talk first about the functions of prepositional case. Number one is location. We will be using prepositional case with preposition v and na, which actually means in or at. And in the next lesson, we'll look in detail when to use these prepositions and which preposition to use. And number two is the object of thinking about, talking about, dreaming about, arguing about, and so on. So it pretty much corresponds to English preposition about. In Russian, this preposition will be o. About, or the other form of this preposition will be ab. That's when we want to use a prepositional case. There are more functions, but these are for intermediate level. It's a quite easy case about as far as forms, and most of the nouns, singular nouns in Russian, they will have ending ye. They will have this ending ye for all of the genders, masculine, feminine, or neuter, regardless if they're a hard stem or soft stem. For example, город в городе, словарь в словаре. Notice here how I pronounce my preposition v, which means in the city, in the dictionary. I will pronounce it voiced if it comes before voiced consonant. I will pronounce it as f before the voiceless consonant. Listen again. В городе, в словаре. Notice how I combine my preposition to my word, pronouncing as if it's just one word. Also, those nouns ending with y, the y letter will disappear and will be removed, and the ending ye will be added. Музей в музее. Feminine, hard, and soft nouns will also have ending ye. Москва в Москве. Деревня в деревне. Neuter. Письмо в письме. Море в море. Since our soft stem neuter noun already has a letter ye as the ending, so it just stays ye here. But also there are some nuances we want to know about declension. Notice how separately stands the declension of nouns ending with e, masculine, iya, feminine, and iye for neuter. I, iya, iye. These type of nouns, they form a separate declension, and actually through the case system they also stay kind of aside. They form a separate declension, but it's not that difficult to memorize, is that it will have this double E as the ending. В санатории, в России, в упражнении. Also, we should not forget about those nouns that end with a soft sign, and they are feminine. They will have this ending E. В тетради. Not ye, but E. В тетради. So we should remember about that. Sometimes it's neglected. Okay, let's have a look at the forms of the prepositional case for plural nouns. Regardless of gender, whether it's masculine or feminine or neuter, the ending for hard stem nouns will be ах, город в городах, музей, музеях. For soft stem, the ending will be ях. Here I have examples only for the masculine nouns, but if it's a feminine noun, the same thing will happen. Hard stem. Moskva is not a good example, but let's take a neuter noun. Письмо в письмах. I'm using my hard ending because письмо is a hard stem noun. Or let's take a soft one. Море в морях. I will use ending ях for the soft stem nouns. Or в деревнях, в тетрадях, в упражнениях. Упражнение is also a soft stem noun. I want to mention a couple of things we have to know about the forms. Is that those nouns that have o, yo, or ye in the last syllable, coming before k consonant or ts consonant or ni letters, we will have this fleeting vowel. The vowel will disappear when declined. Кусок в куске. Кусок is a piece. Кошелек, a wallet, в кошельке. День в дне. Отец об отце. Then we have to know that there is quite a big group of nouns, of masculine nouns, that will take ending u, a stressed u ending. Not ye, but u. And these have to be just memorized. Let me read this for you. This is not the full list, but I think these exactly these words are more relevant at the elementary level. Мост на мосту, лес в лесу, пол на полу, нос в носу, аэропорт в аэропорту, Крым в Крыму, лоб на лбу, берег на берегу, угол в углу, сад в саду, шкаф в шкафу, край на краю. Okay, these have to be memorized. Don't forget about these irregulars, мать and дочь, that take ending suffix ер into the stem. Матери, дочери. And remember about those nouns, non-declinable nouns of foreign origin that don't decline. Такси в такси, меню в меню, в метро, в пальто. Good? Okay. I will see you later in the next lesson when we discuss the usage of prepositions and where we'll see more examples of how to use the prepositional case with nouns.